is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I am going to play with my onion slicer again. So I thought I would make something with this. I figured teeny tiny onions might look pretty cool on some Shin. It's just the regular Shin red with water. And then it's got these 2 sachets. You know how it goes, I'm sure. 99% of the images I see regarding instant noodles have to do with this stuff. Which, I mean, that's cool if you guys really like it, but you gotta try more. It's not bad. I'm not gonna say it's horrible or anything like that. I like Shin. But it's not like it's my absolute all-time favorite. Not into my top 10. Maybe in yours, that's cool. But it's a good, if you want to get an understanding of standard Korean spicy instant noodles, this is a good place to start. Let's do this for 4 minutes. And we're gonna throw in the spicy redness. And then the flakiness, which is also, I believe it has a little bit of flaky, spicy redness in it as well. You know what I really want to try is getting some super long peppers and go through the holy slicer. So let's do our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Speaks. These are quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. It is a cloudy, windy. Wow. See, it was windy earlier. It's a cloudy, windy day. Let's see. Number 4. We're on number 4. I reset, got to the end of the book, started back at the beginning. Number 4. Whenever I had lost my shirt on my back, I would tell myself, "It is only my shirt I've lost, and in its place I have gained a great deal of experience." And then I would find myself filled with renewed courage. So, basically the whole concept of when you lose, you win knowledge. I prefer to win, but I totally get it. I get it. It's a truth. A truthy truth. A thick, salient, truthy truth. So it's Monday for me here. I don't know what you guys did this weekend. What did you do? Did you go somewhere, do something? For me, it is May 24th. And I'm getting close to the end of the month and definitely I'm gonna have to get hit by lightning or run over by a bus to not get 1,000,000 steps at this point this month. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Man, I freaking love this onion slicer. To the anonymous donor, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's so rad. It's like, my God. So what I'm trying to do today is do it so I put the bowl underneath it and figure out the exact spot where the onions are coming out. And then I can have more of a targeted spot. It'd be neat if oh, that'd be rad. I should mount a little laser pointer on it that points it exactly where it comes out so I could put the bowl on it. Yeah, like a targeted spot. And I'm thinking today, since these are Koreans tend to like angle the spring onion. So there's a different spot where you can plug the, where you can put it in. There's like the front, and then there's the top down. And the top down will make it so they're angled slices rather than the little rings. So we're gonna try that for the first time today. But yeah. Oh, I love my onion slicer, I do. I'm a big fan of the Holy Slicer. All right, there we go. Shin, you know it, you love it. I know you love it because you can't stop taking freaking pictures of it every 5 seconds. There go the children with their happiness. Okay, so Red Bull, it's Shin Red. Why not, right? I hope you're eating your dinner, Miriam. Or your lunch, rather. Not dinner, you're right, Miles. It's lunchtime. There's our Shin in a bowl. Like so. I'm gonna put some cheese on it. That's what you do. You'd be like, what? Cheese? Some people get really mad at the idea of cheese on ramen. Well, this isn't ramen. This is ramyun. There's a difference. Ramen is Japanese. This is not. There's some nice cheesy goodness. I mean it. Cheese is really good on instant noodles. And it's not like a weird affectation either. People do it. People have said, what is it, that you're appropriating cultural appropriation about it? It's like, no. They do it in Korea, for God's sake. Okay. I'm hoping I get a good shot here. That's about as good as you can get. I think. Okay. Piping hot bowl. And we're gonna use the back spot this time. So we leave this shut, I think. Lift this up here, up. Then we flip this switch. We turn it on. Let's see what happens. Let me get that. There you go. There's those angled slices of... I wonder if I just let them go, if they'll just go all the way through. No need to waste. It will. There, all right. They go all the way through. That's crazy business. Okay. It really is, Miles. It really is. It is the business of crazy.
Yes. Yes. You guys are rude.
You go into business, you go into crazy business. Oh, but that... Okay, maybe not exactly as crazy as I hoped. Alright, go eat your lunch, you little non-lunch eating person who should be eating lunch that's young. Okay. Enough of these vicissitudes as Momofuku Rando would purport them to be. Trying to get this thing so it's not sitting on top of it. I love these bowls. They're nice and colorful and they got a lot going on, but I will say that it's kind of difficult to make them act well in front of a camera. Okay. So we've got our, this thing is chock full of onion. That was one stalk of onions. And then you've got all this. We got the cheese. We got some onion splash down over here. Speaking of Splashdown, a great album by a band called Breakwater. You should check it out. You should also check out House of Zeph by Die Antwoord. If you don't know who Die Antwoord is, it translates as Dutch. It's for the answer. They're a South African band. They're rad. I've been jamming their stuff all weekend. Which reminds me, I was like walking around. I'm gonna add a nice eggy wag right in there. I was walking, we went grocery shopping, right? And all of a sudden, we were like taking the groceries out of the cart, right? And took the groceries out of the cart. We were about to put them away. And somebody pulls over. And she's all, she told me that my outfit was dope. Whoa, 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 get back. There you go.
Yay.
But yeah, she said my outfit was dope. And I was like, oh, well, thank you. And that's, you know, nobody usually says that. Well, my wife thought she was making fun of me because I was wearing like gold-colored sweatpants and an orange shirt and a red hat. But I did a survey on the group of the almost 60,000 members of Ramen Junkies, and they agreed that my outfit was dope. So thank you to everybody who said my outfit was dope. Apparently have a little bit of fashion sense. Either that or everybody's just making fun of me. That's possible. It was colorful. Some seed of the sesame. A little bit of red pepper flake. I don't know what else to do to this. That looks nice. So I'll let Rotato make the lovin'. And there are onions on some Shin. There you go. Maybe something different. other day. I just feel like just doing one. But I think now I gotta go take pictures, so I'm gonna do my really quick and dirty how to take pictures of your noodles video. So watch for that, because I'm sorry, but you guys need some help. So I'm more than happy to offer. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.